Falko OC Fan Motor Replacement. Open the electrical panel. It is necessary to remove the locking screw. Unhook the lid and release it. Check and mark the location of the connected cables. With the help of a screwdriver, lower the fasten lock and disconnect all the wires. Release the cable sheath from the cable ties. Remove the rear or lower paneling depending on the filter placement selected during installation, removing the 5 fixing screws. You will now have complete access to the motor and fans. Using a slotted screwdriver, free the lower cover of the fans. Then release it from the backside. Once the fans are freed, it is possible to proceed with the removal of the entire motor assembly. Free the engine by acting on the screws of the 2 side forks. Release the motor from the earthing cable. Slide out the entire motor block by holding its shafts. It is now possible to work comfortably on the motor. Unscrew the grub screw that stops the fan on the motor shaft. Repeat the operation for the other fan. Proceed with the replacement of the motor. Perform the steps in reverse sequence for assembly. It is recommended to tighten the grub screws only after the motor assembly has been inserted into position. Lock the engine with the appropriate forks. On the upper side is a lock nut for tightening. Center the fans and tighten the grub screws. Secure the power cord in the appropriate clamps. Wire into the electrical panel paying attention to the colors.